The study of Ethiopian art history has tended to be focused on the Central Highlands, and it's very important that the cultural education should mirror the general policy of the government, and if there's an ethnic federal policy, then we should reflect that, and we should include study of the Oromoo and other the art traditions, the visual culture traditions of different ethnic groups, and we should include that in the general curriculum.
Nama kadufne talako wan toko jatu gati barbade ada Oromoo fada wan devin and you know Ethiopia kisa wan jiru wan adadan sunin wajatu duftu wajin dufne galata waqan muas arraslar gamanne.
Actually, really like it. Something like this in Switzerland, you don't find it because people are not so open like they are here, and it's quite nice. I must say, I enjoy also the atmosphere, and it's different. It's very different. Also, people like taking photographs, and they don't mind if I take some photographs of them, and I like that. And that's very open, and people seem to be friendly.
Dinagdee ta'uu bira darbee eenyummaa fi aadaa saba Oromoo addunyaatti beeksisaa jiram. Irreechi bara kanaas aadaa keenya bakka ga'umsa tuuristii mallatama taasisuuf ni hojjenna jechuun kabajamam.